Stop being locked out of Disney Plus. Here is how to reset your password and get back to streaming in just 3 steps. I'm Roberto from Sleek Guides, and we're making this quick, easy, and hassle-free. Let's dive in. Step 1. Head over to the Disney Plus login page on your desktop or mobile browser. Once you're there, enter the email address associated with your account and click Continue. Step 2. On the password entry screen, look for the Forgot Password link just below the login button. Click that link. Disney will now send a unique 6-digit verification code to your registered email address. Check your inbox immediately. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or promotions folder. Step 3. Copy that 6-digit code and head back to the Disney Plus reset page. Paste the code into the boxes provided and click Continue to unlock the final step. Now it's time to create your new password. Make it strong and something you haven't used before. Remember, it needs at least 8 characters, including 1 number and 1 special character for security. Once you hit save, you're all set. Your Disney Plus account is officially recovered. You can now log in across all your devices and get back to your favorite movies and shows. For more quick tech fixes that save you time, subscribe to Sleek Guides. I'm Roberto, and I'll see you in the next one.